Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be creating something a little bit different from usual. We're going to be creating some retro themed YouTube playlist covers. Sounds random, but when I'm designing I like to listen to music or watch a TV show or anime or something to keep myself focused on my work. And as it happens, because I've been listening to so many playlists, I've been recommended loads of different ones on YouTube, and some of the covers these playlists have are incredible. I'll show some examples here of some of the stuff that I've been seeing, and the playlists themselves, the music is great obviously, but these retro album covers really encapsulate the vibe of the music at the same time. So I thought it would be fun today to just try and see if I can create one of them, and I doubt it will take me super long, so there might not be a break in this video, but follow along if you're trying to make a cool playlist cover for maybe your Spotify playlist or YouTube, and hopefully it helps you out and gets you inspired and shows you you can do it on Canva if you don't want to buy one online, or you don't want to create something super crazy on Photoshop. But anyway, let's get into it, and I'll catch you guys at the end of the video. Such a sick photo. Come back to that. Here we go. And there we have it. This is the final result. I think it came out quite nice, actually. But yeah, I think this could be a cool niche, especially if you are already a graphic designer, or if you want to get into a bit of YouTube or content creation, or you're into music and you like playlisting. Maybe give it a shot and create some of your own, and please send them to me because I'd love to see what they look like. But I hope you enjoyed the video. It's given you a little bit more inspiration in your designs, and I'll see you all in the next one. Thanks.